Very few universities offer a specific degree in machine learning. Most of the universities offer a degree in computer science and they give you a concentration in machine learning. But Stevens is specifically offering you a degree in machine learning.
Stevens was one of the first schools in the country to introduce a degree in applied artificial intelligence. We are cutting edge research and innovation, and that will definitely help the students in building a strong career.
During my PhD studies, I combined the DFT calculations with machine learning. Those really helped me set foundation for my work at Sandbox AQ.
Stevens research programs are cutting edge because you have a very good faculty here. They're great experts in their field. They have a lot of industry connections as well. I took this class last semester. It's called Applied Machine Learning. He could deliver the concepts in a very fun and interesting way. At the same time, it was very informative. My career goals are to be, soaked in the research field of AI. So I thought this is a very good opportunity to build my skills and experience further. It was really a great learning experience, applied machine learning.